southeastern Greene County in southwestern Indiana, west central Lawrence County in south central Indiana, northeastern Davies County in southwestern Indiana, until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:07 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles south of Bloomfield, or 27 miles west of Bedford, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Crane and Burn City around 4:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of a severe thunderstorm include Owensburg and Indian Springs. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for south central and southwestern Indiana. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Now for the official national